Whether you're traveling for work or pleasure, we've packed 3 clever safety tips in this Komando DIY. It'll help make your travel experience smooth sailing. The most annoying thing about airports is going through security, but if you want to fly through those TSA lines, download the travel app Mobile Passport. It's currently accepted at 25 US airports and 3 cruise ports, with more being added all the time. The app also allows you to skip over those US customs and immigration lines. Going paperless is convenient, but what happens if you're stuck without cell service or access to secure Wi-Fi? Don't scramble to find the important documents you need. Screenshots are your ticket to worry-free travel. Be sure to include copies of your passport, driver's license, boarding passes, hotel reservations, credit cards, and your parking space at the airport. Save a copy to the cloud so you can access them from another device if you need to. Lastly, keep hackers on the no-fly list by turning off your GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi when you're not connected to a trusted network. To get those settings on an iPhone, swipe from the top right corner of the screen. Older iPhones swipe up from the bottom and tap the airplane icon to disable your wireless settings. On Android, just open the Settings app to access those menu options and toggle off. For more tips and helpful links, head over to Komando.com and search Travel Safety.
Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.